Tsugami's oscillation cutting technology is a game changer in machining tough or bendable materials. It uses a servo axis that vibrates to easily break chips, reduce heat, and prolong overall tool life. This technology is versatile and can be used in various machining operations like turning, drilling, grooving, boring, and more. This technology has capabilities across multiple axes and has options to program with a custom G code, adding to its versatility. Additionally, the ease of adjusting oscillation settings within the program allows for seamless transitions between different tools and features. Oscillation cutting is accessible across an extensive selection of Tsugami models, accommodating a broad spectrum of part lengths as well. This ensures that nearly any task you undertake can leverage this technology. For more information about this feature, visit our website